Okay. Today's session is no, I have not closing. What is happening here? 1 minute, please. Now you can see. Okay. Is it clear now? Okay. So today's session is personal actions. Personal actions key code is TA40. TA40. Now you can put a question. What is meant by personal actions? Okay, I will give the definition. Personal actions means maintaining required info tags in a sequential manner. Personal actions means maintaining required info tags in a sequential manner. It's called personal actions. So this we can perform through the PA40 T code. Here you can put one more question. Why should we maintain info tags? What is mean by info tag? Info tag is a set of logical related data where we have to maintain the employee's information. So without maintaining the employee's information or an object's information, which we can't get any kind of data of the company. So if you want to see the company's master data means employee's data. Employee's data we can maintain in info tags. Say for example, if you want to see the address of an employee, we can see in 0006. If you want to see the name of the employee, we can see in 0002. If you want to see the mail ID of the employee, we can see 0105. If you want to see his regular payments, we can see in 0014. If you want to see the basic salary, we can see in 008. So that how many info tags have to maintain for each and every person, that we will discuss in PF40. Is it? So database table, that is backend. In the front end, which we are going to directly the name of the person, name of the employee, address of the employee. So what are the salary components he is going to get it here. Database means that is backend. So front end we are going to see the output. Is it clear? Here. In personal actions, it is comes under personal administration submodule. Personal actions will come under. It will come under personal administration. So in personal administration, what will come? Enterprise structure will come in PA. That is personal area, personal sub area, employee group and employee subgroup, and its assignments. After that, personal actions. That means in personal actions, what we are going to create, we will discuss one by one. So number one, we have to create info group. First we have to create info group. Now info group means type of info type. Info group means group of info types. Group of info types are a name of menu in which we have to maintain required info types. So info group means group of info types. So list of info types or name of a menu in which we have to maintain required info types. It is defined with any 2-digit code. Its info group or itself a menu which is defined with any 2-digit code. You can put alpha or numeric. Now it is assigned with a UGR. That means user group. So user group means, so you are a user, I am a user. If I want to see the menu, I can say. If you don't want to see the menu, you can't say. So this is possible through a user group. User group always enter 00 to 99. But most of the cases in real-time scenario, 01 will be predefined. But other than 01, we can give 00 to 99. So 00 to 99 is called a user group which should be assigned to the menu or info group if you want to see the particular info group. Rahul, is it clear? Okay. This is info group. After maintaining menu or info group, in which we have to maintain list of info types. List of info types. How many info types do you want to maintain? Say for example, to hire a person, we have to maintain 400001. These two are enough. To hire a person, at least we should maintain 2 info types. To run payroll, we have to maintain 400001, 003, 006, 007, 008, 009, 14, 15, then 0, 207, 0, 208, 0, 0209. 0209. So to run payroll, we have to maintain 4 zeros, 1, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 14, 15, 207, 208, 209. These are the mandatory to run payroll. Right? So that I am telling that you have to know. So how in a sense, I will tell you one thing. Where do you enter basic pay? 008. So where do you enter regular payments? 0014, recurring payments and deductions. Where do you enter irregular payments? 15. So 0207 is residence tax. 0208 is work area tax. 0209 is withholding tax, because these are the mandatory info types. So to run payroll, we have to maintain. But here, in our practice purpose, 0014 and 0015 is not mandatory. Because without 0014 and 0015 also we can run payroll, because we can say basic pay. This is one thing. Second thing is here, 003 is maintained by the system. Maintained by the system, you need not maintain this. Then 0207, 0208, then 0209. These 3 info types, whenever you maintain addresses, system will pop up these 3 info types. So what I mean to say, whenever you maintain the menu, in which you should not maintain 0003 and 0207 and 0208 and 0209. Whenever you hire a person, system will generate 003. Whenever you maintain the address, system will trigger these 3 info types. So these techniques you have to know, these will be asked in the interview. Okay, this is one thing. Next, second step is action type. Action type, it is also defined with any 2-digit code. Any 2-digit code. In real-time scenario, the action types are hiring, termination, transfer, promotion, demotion, hiring, termination, transfer, promotion, like organizational reassignment, So these are the major action types in real-time scenario. Here I will tell you, hiring means create a position and assign all these personal area, sub area, employee group, subgroup, time, schedule, payroll, each and everything through TFRT. After TFRT, once you hire, if you want to maintain some more info types, you can use TFRT. There you have to enter how many info types are you going to maintain to the person. This is for hiring a person. If you are going to terminating an employee, again you have to create this action. If you want to transfer an employee, promote an employee, demote an employee, organizational reassignment, for these actions we have to do action types. Round or not. Third one is action reason. This is also defined with any 2-digit code. Here, tell to the system what reason exactly for the action type. That means if you are hiring a person, why are you hiring a person? Because of expansion of the company. Why are you hiring a person? Because of terminating an employee. That's reasons you have to write down. Termination of employee, bad behavior, not good conduct. Or like transfer. Transfer means the plant was over here. Promotion, why you are giving promotion? So exactly you have to write the reasons here. After that, we have to enter change action menu. So change action menu is always 01. This is predefined. You have to enter always 01. There you have to enter action type, and UGR. UGR means or user group what you have specified. Change action menu. After this, we have to maintain user parameters. Maintain user parameters. Here we have to maintain MOLGA, that is country grouping. Our country grouping is US, so USA number is 10. Then UGR. What is UGR? It's also introduced. In maintain parameters, what do you specify? I have to specify MOLGA, that is 10. UGR means I told you that. So whenever you create this, user group, info group. Whenever you create info group, this particular info group should be assigned with a 2-digit code known as user group. That user group we have to enter 00 to 99. Whatever the number you have to enter here, the same number we have to maintain. Assume that here we have maintained 98. Say for example, you have to maintain 98. Assumption. Here. Got point. Very good. Okay, this is easier actually. Okay, UGR or user group. User group means user group. Is it clear? Here, say for example, we have taken 98. Assume that. So same 98 we have to maintain here. If you won't maintain this 98, what you have specified while creating the user group, you can't see your action type. If you want to see your action type, whatever the number you have entered there, the same thing we have to maintain here. Is it clear? After that, next one we have to maintain number ranges. So what is number ranges? Now in SAP, every employee will be assigned with a 8-digit numeric number. numeric number is known as employee ID number. This is very common in every company. Whenever you join, they will give an identity card. In identity card, every employee will be given ID number. So the ID numbers in SAP is known as personal number. This is always a 8 digit. Hello? Hello, Rahul ji? Yeah, Rahul ji. So I think there is some checking problems, it is disconnecting. Is it clear now? Okay. Here, personal number, that the ID number is called personal number, it is always a 8 digit code. 8 digit code. Now, say for example 01 is serial number. Say for example 1 to 100. Here the above number ranges are called one minute please, I will tell you this. So here okay, the above number ranges are called number range intervals. That number range interval means 1 to 100. Say for example, we are choosing 1 to 100. So these number ranges we can assign in two ways. One is internal, second one is external. So internal means whenever you hire a person, system will assign the number ranges or number range intervals which we have chosen. External means the user, the person who is going to hire a person, he has to enter manually from the number range intervals which we have created. So Rahul, is it clear? Internal means system will assign it. You need not use anything. So external means you have to choose the number ranges which we have predefined, like 1 to 100. Is it clear? Okay. So these things we are going to show into the system. How we are going to show the system? Just look here. I am logging on to the system. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay. SPRO. Click on here. So here we are writing here number 1 step. Define info group. Part is SPRO, IMG, personal management, personal administration, customizing procedures, actions, click on define info groups. This is the path. Again I will tell you the path. SPRO, IMG, personal management, personal administration, customizing procedures, actions, then click on define info groups. Here I will show. This is personal management, expand it, and personal administration. Okay, then this is customizing procedures. After customizing procedures, we have actions. Then click on define info groups. Whenever you click on define info groups, you will get a pop-up screen in which it contains three options. In which double click on first one. User group dependency on menus and info groups. Here double click on here. Okay. Just go to new entries because I am going to create our own. What is ours? Go to new entries. I am entering RH. Any two-digit code. You can enter Rahul info group. You can give in real time scenario how to give the company name. RH. Here you have to enter user dependency. User dependency in the sense, if a user wants to see this Rahul info group, they can see. If you don't want to see, you can't see. So it is called user dependency. So reaction is always W. W means it has to give a warning if you enter a wrong data, but accept. Now reference group and UGR, both are same. I am entering 98. You can enter any number. I am not saying that you have to enter 98. You can enter any number 00 to 99. I have entered 98. Please keep it in your mind. Press enter. Save. Say continue. So what I have created here, I have created a menu. That is info group and menu both are same. I have created with RH, Rahul info group, user dependencies. Here I have created RH. Okay, it's a menu. Over. Next one, save and come back. Come back to the pop-up screen. Double click on info group modifier. Info group modifier. Click on here. I'm sorry. Not info group modifier. I'm extremely sorry. Double click on info group. Double click on info group. Click on here. Here you have to enter your info group or your menu name. What's your menu name? RH. If you can memorize, you can. Or else, click on here, you will get the total info groups. You can choose what you have created. Ours is RH. Somewhere it is there. This is RH. Say continue. Go to new entries. Now, here we are going to create info types. Our user group is 98. Here info group modifier, any 8-digit code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, not 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Any 7-digit code, but I am entering only 4-digit code. Rahu. Serial number is 01. Operation is INS. INS means creation. I am creating 4 zeros. Okay, I am creating 0001. I am creating 002. I am creating 006. I am creating 007. I am creating 008. To run payroll, we have to maintain these. 4 zeros, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. 9 is also important, but not mandatory. Here, for everything you have to put INS. INS means create. This is serial number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry. Here you have to enter. Now the same Rahul you have to enter. Whatever the name you have given. Here the same number 98. Rahul, is it clear? Okay. I am pressing enter. Whenever I press enter, here the text will come. So Rahul ji 1 minute please. Ready? Start now. Okay, Rahul ji. Whenever I press enter, here is Display mode is there. Here the text will come look here. Okay. Actions, organized assignment, personal data, address, current working time, basically. Is it clear? Save. Come back. Okay. Now here, if you want to default 4 zeros, 1, 2, 6, 7, 8 for your employee group and subgroup, so we have to maintain a feature. So click on first save and click on info group modifier here. Here we are going to maintain a feature, that is ignored. So click on change. Okay, here directly you can enter your employee subgroup. So what is your employee subgroup? Select PERSK, go to create. Choose your employee subgroups, whatever you have created in enterprise section. It will take a little bit of time here. Our phase, I think, this is RR and RS. Am I right? Okay, press enter. Under this, whatever the name we have created, info group modifier, that is RAHU. So we have to assign it here. So that these info types what we have created, they will reflect whenever you are going to hire a person, right? Select RS, that is the employee subgroup. Go to create. Return value you are entering here. Here you have to enter RAHU. Sorry, RAHU. Again select your another employee subgroup, RR corporate. Go to create. Enter RAHU. Just enter. This is the way. Ignore employee subgroup, that is RS, RAHO, RR, corporate. Okay. Second activate or control F2 and F3, that is a shortcut key. Okay. It's over. If you come back, you see. Now this is over. What we have created here, we have created info group. Under info group, we have maintained the required info types. Second step is set up personal actions. Second, set up personal actions. Okay. Same part. Click on set up personal actions. As I told you that personal actions are defined with any 2-digit code that we are going to create it here. We are going to create hiring. We are going to create hiring. How can we create? I will show here. Okay, path is personal management, personal administration, customizing procedures, actions. Click on set up personal actions. Again here we have 3 more steps are there here. So double click on this one, personal action types. Here you have to double click on personal action types. Here we can go to near this or hide is there. Just we can copy. Just select 01. Every system it contains. Click on copy. Okay. Here you have to enter any 2-digit code. Action. I am entering here RI. Change the text. Hiring for RGB. I am putting Rahul. You can put your name also because you can see what you have saved. You can see here. Now don't change anything here. Just you have to change IG. IG means info group. What is our info group? Our menu name? RH. RH. I think RH. Let us see once again. I think it's RH. RH. We have to enter. Now I will explain what is this here. FC means function character. Function character means first hiring. Because hiring is a process where we are hiring for the first time. So we have to enter 1. This is employment status. Employment status means employment status means whether he was active and salaried employee or not. So this is always predefined. You need not enter anything here. This is called special payment. It already is here. Now this check. This is for the termination. If action type is termination, we have to enter check. But if it's a hiring, don't enter anything under check. You can put a question. If it is a termination, what should I enter here? Just press F1. System will tell you if it is a termination and what you are going to hear. You see. Withdrawal, re-entry, retirement, retirement. If that is the case here, MSN 20, MSN 21, MSN 32. These are the predefined. No, here we are doing the hiring action. For hiring action, you need not enter anything under that column. If it is a yes. If it is a hiring action, don't enter anything under check. Rahul, is it clear? If it is a termination, we have to enter this MSN 20, withdrawal, termination, re-entry, MSN 21. Is it clear? Okay. Now, whether the data, whenever you hire a person, the data will be entered P, person area, person sub area, employee group and employee subgroup. This is our info graph. This is U40. That means first info type, it is 4 zeros, actions. This is always 0302, that is additional action. These are all predefined. You have to enter like this only. Press enter. Press enter and save. Ours is RI, right? Save. So in the entries, it will be asked. How many digit code have you created? What text you have to create it? So what is IG? What is P, PA, EG? They will ask me. Press enter and save. Just come back. RI. RI is action type. Okay. Just leave it away. After that, next, right here. Create reasons for personal action. Create reasons for personal action. Same part, I told you that. It is also defined with any 2-digit code here. I am creating here. Click on here. Go to new entry. Here enter your action type. Already we have created action. What is our action? RI. Here action region, any 2 more digit code. I am entering RT. You can enter any 2-digit code. So why are you hiring? As termination happens. You can give plenty of reasons, or you can give only one reason, as you wish it. As termination here it is. As expense of the company. You can give any kind of reason here. Whenever you press enter, the text will come here. Hiring for RJB, Rahul will come. Save. Next, last one. Change action menu. Change action menu. Same path. Here we have to enter 01 as menu. This is predefined. Always predefined, and how we are going to enter here, I will show here. Change action menu, click on here. Double click on action menu. Double click on action menu. Here you have to enter 01 as a menu. Always 01 in real time scenario. Press enter. Just go to the entry. Enter your user group. What's your user group? 98. Serial number, any 2-digit code. Action is RI. If everything is clear, press enter. Now what system is telling? Hello boss, an entry already exists the same key. If this will come, in your practice system you have to get it here. Change the serial number. I am entering 33. Press enter and save. Nothing to worry whenever you get an error. Press enter and save. Again press enter. It's over. After this, so far we have customized info group and its info types, then action types, then reasons, then change action menu. After this we have to maintain user parameters. Write down. Maintain user parameters. Maintain user parameters. Path is SPRO IMG. Personal management, personal administration, basic settings, click on maintain user parameters. What does it mean? Whatever the action tab you have created, if you want to see, you have to maintain your parameters so that you can see it here. Click on here. This is here for what country you are going to run the personal actions? USA. If you click on here, all countries are pre-defined. Choose USA. Say continue. System will tell you the parameters created for USA. Say continue. So again, whenever you continue here, you will get a screen. There click on parameters. Here parameters. Here we have MOLGA, MOL, UGR. These are important. MOLGA is always 10 because US is for 10. Here you have to enter 98. Alright, Mr. Rahulji? Okay, press enter and save. So it will take a little bit of time, but in real time scenario it won't take this much of time. As soon as just you press enter and save, system will, okay, it's over. Next one. Maintain a numbered range intervals for personal numbers. Maintain numbered range intervals for personal numbers. Same path. Okay. Here we are creating number ranges. Here we are creating number ranges. Maintain number range intervals for the personal numbers. Click on here. Okay. Click on change intervals. Click on change intervals. Here somebody has created different scenarios. 1, 2, 3, 4 PO has created. We wanted to create our own number range. Okay. So click on insert interval. Here you have to enter serial number. So the serial number which you are going to enter, which is not entered earlier. So 1 is entered, 2 is entered, 3, 4, 5 is not entered. You have to enter 5. Our number range is 5. Is it clear? Now from number to number, you should not enter manually. Put your cursor on the from number, just press F4. System will give you the possible numbers. Now from 80,201 to 80,299 is available. Whatever the number ranges which you need, you can check up here. So we want to take this one. Continue. Now automatically it will come here. Now from number is 80,501. If you want to use the total number ranges, or if you want to change manually, you can change it here. I want to take here 81,000 only. You can take as you wish here. Now, so from 80,501 to 81,000, so far no number is used as the 0 is here. So if you hire a person, the first number is 80,501. Now, if you select here, it will become external. Now, the advisable thing is always internal. So, I am telling to the system, I am going to hire a person. Whenever I hire a person, system will assign a number range from 80,501 to 81,000. Yeah. Press enter. So, mine is 5. Just save it. This is the way how to create our number ranges. For our practice session, you need not create. Click on status, see the numbers, and you can choose any one of them. Over. Next. Determine default for number ranges. Determine default for number ranges. Same part. Here we are defaulting number ranges with a feature called numCar. We are maintaining this number as a feature called numCar. N-U-M-K-R. Click on here. Click on here. Yes. Okay. Employee group. Our employee group is select TRS. Go to create. Enter our employee sub. Employee group is R. Rahul ji. Our employee group is R. Okay. R. Select R. Go to create. Then choose field for this operation. Under this we have to enter employee subgroup. CRSK. Say click on transfer. Whenever otherwise it comes, just you have to delete it here. Select PRSC. Go to create. Enter your employee subgroup. RR. Ours is again RS. If there are 10, you have to enter 10. Under employee subgroup, you have to enter the serial number of the number ranges what you have created. So that select RS, go to create, say continue, I'm entering 5, 05. What does it mean? Whatever the number range is 80,501 to 81,000 is going to be defaulted here. 5, again 5. This is in here. Check and activate. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Over. Now the last step in personal actions are writer. Define administrator. Define administrator. Path SPRO INC. Personal management. Personal administration. Personal administration. Organizational data. Then organizational assignment. Then click on define administrator. Here in SAP, there are 3 administrators. One is payroll administrator. Second one is time administrator. Third one is PA administrator. That means every employee, whenever they have any query, there should be a specific person in SAP. Say for example payroll. So today the HR manager of the company has run payroll and the salary was disbursed to the bank. So when you go to the bank, you came to know that $1,500 are added to your salary, $1,500 added to your salary as a less amount. So that means you have to get $1,500 more to be added to your account. So immediately there will be a person. So that particular person is called payroll administrator. That means every employee has to know who is my payroll administrator, who is my time administrator, who is my PA administrator. Next, time administrator. In different companies will have different processes to record the time, like positive time recording or negative time recording. Whether it is a positive or a negative, if though you have swiped into the machine, if the data is not uploaded into R3, so that the particular day's salary will be deducted. So if that situation will happen into your company, you have to go to the time administrator and ask them the reason. That means there should be a reason. There should be a time administrator. Last PA, giving promotion, transferring each and every employee. If you want to know to whom you approach, there will be a specific person. Those administrators, now we are creating here. Click on here. Just go to new entries. Enter any 4-digit code. I am entering R.A. Rahu. So name of the administrator with any 3-digit code. Rahul. So title, this is Mr. Telephone number, SAP name, user ID of the Rahul. Rahul 123. So group is always same. I am entering Madhu. So that is Madhu student. Some telephone number, dummy number I am entering here. Madhu 123. Jai Patel. Okay. Jai 8 name. Rahu. Neha Patel. Neha 6. So this is the way to create the administrators. If it's a big company, hundreds of administrators are there. These administrators can be location-wise, can be company-wise, or can be sublocation-wise also. Press enter, see. Okay. So that comes under authorization. For particular administrator, so whatever the authorization will assign to the particular user, then he comes to know, he has to do that one. So each and every employee will be given a message that if you have any like any query, you have to contact this person or this desk or this person. So each and every employee will be given a letter or they will put a mail. So the employee, if you have any queries in the payroll, you have to go to like Rahul. If you have any queries in the time management, you have to go to and ask Mr. Madhu. If you have any query in the PA, you have to go to Jai Patel. That will be done in real time scenario. Is it clear? Okay. Save. Now, whenever we hire a person, these names will be defaulted in 001. If you want to maintain like that, we have to maintain a feature. That feature name is pinch feature. Define administrator groups. It's the last step in person action. Same part here. We are using pinch feature to define The administrator. The administrator. This is define administrator groups. Click on here. We are going to maintain the pinch feature. Here, expand otherwise. You have to enter employee group first of all. Select PERSG. Go to create. Enter your employee subgroup R. Under employee group, you have to maintain employee subgroup. So that select R. Go to create. Choose field for decision operation. Say copy or continue. Select PERSK. Say continue. Whenever otherwise will come, just cut it. Under PERSK, have to enter employee subgroup RR. And again select PERSK to enter employee subgroup RS. Under these two, whatever the group administrator group you have created, you have to enter the value. That is RA HU. RA HU. Okay, here second activity. This is the way how to create personal actions. Rahul, is it clear? No. After this, so whatever the enterprise structure which we have created, like company we have created, company code we have created, then personal area we have created, sub area we have created, employee group we have created, employee subgroup we have created. Now one more thing we have to create it here. Assign fiscal year variant to company code. That means how a fiscal year starts in a company. But in real-time scenario, this is done by the FICO guys. You need not do this. But here we have to do to hire a person. The T code is 1 minute please. OB37. 1 minute please. I'm checking where is product. Yeah, OB37. OB37. Here enter OB37. You check up your company code. Our company code is what's the company code? Yeah, I'm right. RDMO, I think. RIL? Yeah, RAMO, right. Okay. Here you have to enter K4. This is the fiscal year variant which is defined by the FICO guys. Here it's not our duty, not our function, but here we have to enter. Here while your practice systems you have to enter only K4. Right? Press enter and save. It is finished. Because without this you can't hire a person. Over. The last step is assign chart of accounts to company code. Chart of accounts are created by FI people. The chart of accounts should be assigned to the company code. This is also done by the FICO guys in real-time scenario. For our practice session, we have to enter here. T code is OB62. OB62. Okay. Here, what's our company code? RAMO. Here you have to enter. For years, there is a separate word is there. That is CAUS. 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 You have to enter. Chart of account names. Because if you want to integrate with HR to FI, these chart of accounts are important. Save and come back. Now so far, what we have created enterprise structure, where we have created company code, personal area, personal sub area, employee group, employee subgroup, and its assignments. Okay, it's over. After that, we have created time management and we have done each and everything. Right? Then we have done, yes. Hello? Yeah, we will, nothing to worry, okay, you can remember. But coming to customization point, it finished each and everything. Okay? Payroll, each and everything is finished except only PCS and schema. Now, what we have done, personal action. Okay. Now, organization structure is left out. Okay, that we have to discuss tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, we will hire a person and run payroll. Then reports, personal development, benefits, then training and event management. Others we will discuss it here. So day after tomorrow or tomorrow. So if you come a little bit half an hour before, we will create organization structure and we will finish it tomorrow. Okay? Here I want to stop it here. And I'm sending the notes and please download it here. Now, yeah. Here it won't happen. I think because after my class, if any class is there, when I go outside, somebody, maybe, it can happen. Here I will be here and I will send the notes and just download it. So if that happens, immediately you have to put a mail to the management and they will do. Okay? Okay, no problem. Good? Okay, I'm sending.